Hello guys, this is Arknil Gaming. At share ko lang guys, meron tayong nakuwang gifts from another streamer. Tingnan nyo guys, may red ang ating gift stub. At ito ay galing kay Crazy Pinay. Your friend Crazy Pinay gifted you Ethereal Serenity, ang bagong skin ng bagong hero na si Sushin. And then the following message: congrats, thank you for supporting Crazy Pinay. And guys, support nyo si Crazy Pinay guys. If you already own this skin, you will receive skin fragments instead. At di ko naman na-own to, so ibig sabihin hindi to masasayang. Wala palang sounds. Yan, Sushin. Ang basic skin niya. You can also get this for only 30 diamonds kung finalo niyo yung reels ko nakaraan. Thank you for watching guys. Skin for 481. Bye-bye.